cricket knife. Feel the teeth on this. I'm the only sharpener that does serrations. It will not tear them up. If you roll a serrated knife in the middle of these, they make a unique vibration, shattering it up and down through the teeth. It hits it from the tip of the tooth to the bottom. You get one side in, the back on return. No metal comes off the teeth at all. And it'll sharpen through the whole entire tooth.
Holy shit.
How much sharper does that feel?
That's badass.
There you go. Now on the front, I'm different than every sharpener too. I'll show you how I do that. Our sharpeners are made to spring, so it follows the original edge. Them are two chef's steels. Squeeze your blades in there nice and tight. Bring the back of the knife up. It puts the original edge back in any style blade. I'm finding I can do a lot of different gardening tools, hatchets, cleavers. I aimed them for very expensive knives, but I got such a hard rod you can sharpen about anything in it. See that?
Oh, shit.
Hit it off on a piece of leather when you're done. That will take you up in the arm shaving sharp. Any leather belt works. You can even use cardboard. Check that out.
Oh, yeah.
I'm doing these today, 20 bucks each, 2 for 30, lifetime guaranteed. We do put our name and website on the handle. Anybody else carrying a knife? You guys, show you it works. What's this knife? Horn tool? Fine, fine. That. How's that feel? Kitchen knives, butcher knives, fillet knives, skinning knives, you can do them all. Got these today, 20 bucks each, 2 for 30. Doing hard steel, stainless, German, Damascus, even military. Run them through there. These rods are Rockwell over 69. As long as you got some bevel on a knife, you should be able to get it real good and sharp. Running out of book here. Look at that. Razor sharp.
What colors you like?
Two for 30. You guys want two? Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Little oil on the rods help. If you have any trouble using them, I got live videos on the website, right on the handle of the sharpener. Thank you, appreciate you guys. Got a knife, y'all? Bring it on up here, I'll sharpen it up. Got an American-made sharpener, I'll sharpen any blade you bring me. Got your knife?
It's just a multi-tool knife, though.
I can do any knife you got, from little knives to swords, katanas. My rods will adjust to any edge, any kind of knife. I can even do the serrate on this. This one don't have serrate either. Some of these Leathermans have the serration. Oh, this one does, don't it?
That's the regular one, the dull on there.
Wrong kind of serrate. This is soft. Where's your redwood light on
I'll
that?
flip it on this side of the handle.
Alright. Oh gosh, yeah. Look at that. Squeeze them in there tight, draw through.
With play knife?
Yes, it will. Them are real easy. These are made to flex so they follow any edge. I'm using a titanium carbide thin. It's very hard to wear it down. I can even do German steel, stainless steel. Look at that. Razor sharp. Okay, well, that you see the difference I did. Big difference, ain't it?
Yeah.
I did these today, 20 bucks each, 2 for 30. And you can also do every serrated knife you own. Heck, I'm even doing Cutco knives, very expensive knives. Run them in there. It will not hurt them at all. I've done every style of serration possible. Takes them way sharper than brand new, without a doubt. Anyone else carrying a knife? I'll show you how it works. Bring it on up here. I dropped these down in the show today, 20 bucks each, 2 for 30.
Good deal.